Hey guys, it's Lano for 20 here, and today I'm showing you a video of my parrots. Down here we have my two cockatiels. It's a male and a female. The left one's the male pied, a female's the pearl. They have 3 chicks right now. They laid their eggs like 2 months ago, I think. I'll show you them in a sec. Up here we have one blue pair. You can see the male calling to the female. She's inside. She has 3 eggs right now. And we have a yellow female and the rainbow male. They haven't paired up yet, but they should. There's good signs. I've seen kissing. Just have calcium, food, water, calcium, water, food. I know the water's a bit dirty. I'm about to change it up there as well. So now I'm going to show you all the chicks. 3 chicks currently. I'm sorry, it's gonna take some time. I need to get out my phone. I'm using it as a flashlight. Sorry. It would be easier for me to set you guys down, but I don't like it when people do that. When she was a little... See? They're 20 days old. They're starting to get feathers. And, yeah. The parents are a bit freaking out. Oh, I'm sorry for that again. I'm putting my phone in my pocket. Here we go. I'll just lift this up a bit. And, yeah. Right there, I should be having some chicks soon. Right now, none of them have hatched yet. You can see the male eating. Chasing off the rival male. Fight. He's bothering him. So yeah, that's my update. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more great videos. I'll have videos of the chicks when they're out, and also an update on them when the eggs hatch. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Oh, if you were wondering, the cage is a meter by meter in. Yeah, bye.